Now come to the next topic, uniform speed or constant speed. I think definition is sufficient, so I am writing the definition. If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, now I am writing very important thing, no matter how small these time intervals may be. Then we can say its speed to be uniform. What is the important thing here which I have written? Small these time interval. This is the very important thing. What I want to convey to you, suppose you say you are traveling at 8 am and from 8 am to 8:30 am you cover the distance of 1 kilometer. Next 30 minutes again you cover 1 kilometer and so on. Dear students, we are calculating that in 30 minutes you are covering 1 kilometer. But important thing is that this time interval should be as small as possible. Means we are, of course we can say in 30 minutes we are covering the 1 kilometer distance. But it is not necessary. In every 1 second we are covering the same distance. So when it is a uniform speed and we are calculating it, we are supposed to keep in our mind that time interval should be as small as possible. Then we will check in that small time interval equal distance is covered or not covered. If equal distance is covered, we will say object is moving with uniform speed or constant speed. Next is the non-uniform speed. Just like the definition of the last, we are writing the definition. If an object covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, same thing here also, no matter how small these time intervals may be. Then we can say it is non-uniform speed. And there are number of examples for this. Like if I write the example, very simple, we can say motion of a car on a crowded road. You also know when it is a crowded road, your speed cannot be constant. And second example that we will use a lot, motion of a freely falling body. This example I will use a lot, and of course you have to solve number of numericals on this example, motion of a freely falling body, because when the object fall freely, suppose I say I start the journey of any object from this height at t equal to 0. After 1 second I say object is here. After 2 seconds object is here. Of course gravity I have not discussed, but if you know from junior class, you can say gravity is acting 10 meter per second. It means after each 1 second our speed will increase by 10 meter per second. So if here I say speed is 0 or object was at rest, here speed will be 10 meter per second. Of course later on I will discuss this also. Here speed will be 20 meter per second. It means when the object is falling freely, its speed is not constant, it is varying. So you can say it is the non-uniform speed.